Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the hidden attribute in HTML. So no, it doesn't mean it's gonna hit. So what we need to do is when you're typing something like this later, if you add hidden in the end, it won't show up. This is the work of hidden, and that's it guys. You can add anything to it, like what I'm gonna do is another p tag and lorem. Use the lorem. You can see the lorem. You can see now. What I'm gonna do now is hidden. I will remove the hidden and put it inside here. So when we do that, done. You can't see those anymore. So this is the work of hidden tag. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.